What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel once again. Got a very special video for you today, the limited edition Unger Ninja box. Stay tuned right to the end because we're going to be doing a giveaway, so let's get into it. Right then, so before we start talking about all the bits and bobs that's in it, I've got my lovely wife, the assistant trad girl, the one and only. In you come, trad girl. And she's going to show off the box today. So this is the box that it comes in, the Unger Ninja limited edition, and it's a 4-piece set. So reveal. Oh, it's nice, yeah. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Fine, okay. I've been told I have to give that away, so I better give it away. But stay tuned to the end to find out how. Now the first thing we're going to have a look at is the new Unger Ninja carbon fiber pole. So here we have it, folks. This is the new pole. Now this is 1.5 meters long and it's carbon fiber, the first of its type. Now I have been using these tools for a little while. I've got another set that I've been testing out and using, and it is incredibly light. You're going to be flying around the windows in no time. It's just absolutely ridiculous how light this thing is. And it's got the really nice water-fed pole styled clamps, single finger operation, and it just simply extends like that. It's a really nice little short pole for all your low level work. And it's got the Unger OptiLock cone on the end, so you can lock your tools on the top of the pole to save them spinning and falling off. And it's got a really nice Unger grip on the bottom as well. So fantastic little carbon fiber pole for your traditional window cleaning. Right, so next up is the limited edition squeegee. Now before we have a look at it, just to let you know, this is a cosmetic change. So apart from that, it is the same as the previous Unger Ninja squeegee. This is cosmetic differences. But if my lovely lady wife would like to pass me the tool, that'd be lovely. Thank you very kindly. So it's now come in this fantastic green color, okay? And it's a 40-degree handle. So if you like the 40 degrees, that's the angle that it comes in. And it's just a really cool looking handle that really stands out from the crowd. Now, I've been using these kinds of tools for many, many years. When I first started window cleaning, it was Unger Ninjas I had. They're very hardy, very sturdy tools and a good squeegee to get, especially if you're just starting out. So the Unger Ninja limited edition squeegee in green. Right then, folks, the next thing you're going to get in the box is the Unger Ninja washer. So if my lovely lady assistant, thank you very, very much, appreciate that. And it comes with the power washer sleeve. Now this came out with the limited edition, the black edition that came out last year. It's a fantastic sleeve that holds 20% more water, and it's very, very durable, very, very good scrubbing power. I use this sleeve on a daily basis, but don't worry, the one you're getting is brand spanking new, so don't worry about that. But fantastic washer, and again, the handle comes in that limited edition green, bright green color. So again, it'll stand out nicely, it looks very professional. So that is the applicator that you'll get in the box. It's 35 centimeters as well, 14 inch, so enjoy that. Right then, folks, and the fourth thing that's going to come in the box, I'll just go and grab it now for you. Very funny. Thank you very much. She's a ninja. She was there and now there. Never mind. Anyway, a 4-centimeter razor, and the difference with this one is it's got a plastic blade in it as opposed to normally being a metal one, and it's got a cool little quick release on it as well, so you can swap the little green plastic blade out and then simply pop it back in and push the wee button. There we go, and that's it back in. So 4 centimeters long that is. Handy tiny little thing that you could keep in your pouch or your pocket. So if there's something on a delicate surface you're just trying to kind of scrape off and remove, but you don't want to obviously cause any damage with a metal blade, there's a little plastic one in there for you. So excellent. Right then, folks, so that is the Unger Ninja limited edition box. Now, this is also available in shops as well. All the links will be in the description below. So if you don't win this from this video, don't worry, you can actually obviously go and buy it as well. So all the links in the description below. So how are you going to win this box? Right then, so step number one that you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is to like the video. So remember and smash that thumbs up button. That is Rule number 1. Rule number 2 is you must subscribe to the Tradman YouTube channel, so you'll get notifications in 1 week's time and you'll find out about the winner, but you won't find out if you're not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll hear about it first thing. And finally, you have to comment in the box below. So send us a little message in the box, maybe perhaps what you like about the box. It could be how this would benefit you. Perhaps you're a new window cleaner. Whatever it may be, pop a little comment in the box below and that'd be super, super appreciated. So that is how you enter. Like the video, subscribe, comment, and there we go. But a little final addition we're going to be giving away as well as this. We're going to ask our lovely assistant trad girl to come and show us some additional little bits and bobs that are going to be coming your way with this giveaway.
He made me do that. What's up, squeegee slingers and what fed pull wiggling wagglers? We've got an extra wee surprise for you, and this is so kind of Unger to send this, and we just wanted to make sure that you guys had a chance to have this as well. Okay, so my assistant Tradman is going to help me show you what extra things we're going to send to you. So if you win the main prize, then you also get this too. Okay.
Nice.
So first up, we have, what's in the packet?
Can I not keep it, trad girl?
No. Let's see. A mug.
Oh.
Yay! And this is not just any mug. This is a special mug. This requires hot water and then it reveals a special picture on it.
Should we
so
let them find out when they win though?
We will let you find out. You could maybe take a picture and
surprise.
share it. Share your Unger mug picture if you win.
Wait, in true sort of Japanese style.
Thank you. And you know what? You don't just get one mug. You get 2 mugs.
2 mugs.
2 mugs. Nice. I know. They're just too nice. Thank you, Unger.
So your other half won't complain. She's got a mug as well.
Ha!
What's that?
This is a buff.
Nice.
Yes.
Sweet.
An Unger Ninja buff. I'm actually wearing mine. Don't know if you can see that. I'm wearing it as a headband, but it does quite a lot of really cool different places you can put it. Yeah. So perfect for at the moment with the pandemic. It makes a good face mask.
Yeah.
Makes a good hat. Makes a good neck scarf. Lots of really cool things. And you don't just get one of these.
You get 2.
You get 2.
There's 2.
I
There's 2 in the
know.
box.
2. So if
Sweet.
you're working with somebody else, you can be matching.
And I have the other bit just over here.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yes. Let the servant will go and get it. Hold on.
Can you pass me the next bit,
Yes,
please,
I
Tyler?
Hold on.
Here we
It's
go.
coming.
Here we
I'm
go.
The worst ninja servant there is.
What's
There
it gonna
you
be?
are, right. There you go.
Ah, a poster.
Oh,
Not
very
just
nice.
any poster. Look at this. Unger have done proud with this one, haven't they? This is a really
Nice.
cool poster. If you like ninjas and you like green eyes, you're sorted.
Fantastic.
Thank you. And is that the last thing?
That is the last thing.
No, it's not.
Is it not?
No, it is not.
There's more?
There is more.
What? What is it?
I wonder, can we see it? Because we stuck one, didn't we, on our...
Yes, we did.
Should we see if we can show them it?
Yes.
Can you see it up here? You get 6 ninja stickers to stick wherever you want. Now, I already know that Tradman has stuck his on his bucket because he was that excited about it.
Yes, I did.
He likes
put them
stickers.
everywhere.
He does stick stickers everywhere. Yeah. So there we go. So that is the extra wee little bit we've got for you. Some merchandise from Unger. So we're quite happy that we get to send that to you too.
Right then, squeegee slingers, thank you very, very much for tuning in. And just a quick reminder, next week, 1 week from today, we're going to announce the winner here on the Tradman YouTube channel. So remember and subscribe, remember and like the video and comment, and you'll be entered for the giveaway. And if you don't win, just remember all the links are down below, so you can go and buy your own set. They're available now, so get cracking. It's amazing. You'll like it. I like mine. You'll like yours. Trust me.
I like mine.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, guys. You take care, be good, and bye for now.